You know that feeling when luxury just hits different? Meet the Aerolux Sky Villa Royal Wine Red Edition, a two-floor beast on wheels that straight up feels like a moving palace. Outside, it gleams in deep wine red, wrapped in gold trims that catch every ray of sunlight. On top, that panoramic glass dome glows, whether it's sunrise or under night LEDs. It's pure eye candy. The automatic doors slide open smooth and silent, pulling you into a world that screams class. Downstairs, the lounge rocks white marble floors and cream gray sofas wrapping around the walls, while soft golden lights glow right in the center. The holographic smart table? It lets you control lights, music, a floating staircase leads to the Sky Lounge, with a flick of your 360-degree panoramic
there's a mini kitchen
with
too.
White gold
accented,
recliners,
sleek,
a golden
with
mini
hidden
bar
storage that's
and
giving
ambient
rich but
lights that
practical
change
energy.
with the time of
Then
day.
you spot that floating
It's perfect
staircase
for watching
glowing
sunsets
soft
or city views.
leading up to the Sky Lounge.
The master bedroom
a
has
full
a floating
360-degree
bed
glass
under a
room
glass ceiling
with white
letting
gold
you sleep
recliners
under the stars.
a golden mini bar,
The bathroom
and
feels
ambient
like a
lights
spa
that
with
shift
marble
with the time
walls,
of day.
golden taps,
Trust
and
me,
a smart mirror
it's vibe
showing
central
all
for
settings.
sunsets, city lights,
The rooftop
or midnight
terrace
talks.
has a glass
Now
railing,
the master
white
bedroom,
recliners,
a mini
unreal.
jacuzzi,
a
and
floating
soft
king-size
golden lights
bed under a
along
glass
edges.
ceiling.
The
So
wide
you
horizon
literally
view
sleep
makes it
under
perfect
the
for
stars.
relaxing. The Sky
The
Villa
bathroom
runs on a hybrid
feels like a
engine with
5-star
electric
spa,
assist, smooth
marble
suspension,
walls,
and
golden
AI-assisted
taps,
cockpit
and
for
a
a
smart
safe,
mirror that
quiet
keeps your
ride.
vibe right.
It starts at
Head up to the
$3.5 million
rooftop terrace.
USD.
Glass
Designed for
railings,
those
white
who want to live and
recliners, a
travel
cozy
in
mini
ultimate
jacuzzi,
style.
and those
The
soft
Aerolux
golden
Sky
edge
Villa
lights.
isn't just a motorhome.
The view,
It's a moving
endless
palace
horizon,
where every mile feels
just
like
you,
a dream.
the night sky, and peace. Under the hood, the Sky Villa rolls with a hybrid engine plus electric assist, AI cockpit, and smooth suspension. Whisper quiet but powerful. Starting at $3.5 million, this isn't just a motorhome, it's a rolling dream. The Aerolux Sky Villa, where luxury meets motion, and every mile feels like heaven on wheels.